Hi, my name is Philip King and welcome to this video lesson installing WordPress 3.9 and above onto your local Windows server. This is part of a series on installing WordPress 3.9 and above into a local development environment. The complete series can be found on the King Solutions website. The link is below. If you haven't installed a local server, Mac users can download and install MAMP. Windows users can download and install WAMP. If you're a Windows user, there is a video tutorial on downloading and installing WAMP as part of this video series if you need further help. Okay, on with the show. Create a folder on your local server where you want to place WordPress. The folder I've created is called WP. Go to wordpress.org and download WordPress to this folder. When the download is complete, just extract the files to this WP folder. Then move all the files in the WordPress folder to the WP folder. I personally rename the WordPress folder to WordPress Notes, and as you can probably guess, keep my notes and other stuff here. Now before we can install WordPress, we need to create a MySQL database where WordPress can store its data. So open phpMyAdmin, which came as part of the WAMP installation. Enter your username and password and press Go. As this is just a testing platform on the local server, I'll just leave the default username and password. Obviously, you would never do this on a live website. In the left-hand panel of phpMyAdmin, you should see a list of all the installed databases. If you don't, just click on the Home icon. Then click on the Database tab in the right-hand panel, and in the Create Databases box, enter a name for the database. I always use the name of the WordPress folder. It just makes it easy to remember. Then click the Create button. And that's all there is to creating a database in WordPress. With our database set up, we can now install WordPress. Normally, I would tell you to enter localhost/wp/wp-admin/install.php into your browser's address bar to complete the installation of WordPress. But there's actually a nicer way. Just enter localhost/wp/readme.html into your browser's address bar. This gives you a nice WordPress Readme file with lots of pertinent information. I suggest you give it a read. It discusses the famous 5-minute install, the updating of WordPress, how to migrate from other systems and system requirements, a list of online resources, plus a few other notes. We need the 5-minute install, so just click on the wp-admin/install.php hyperlink in item 2. This will display a warning screen stating that the wp-config.php file is missing. To create the file, just click the Create a Configuration File button. The next screen tells you that WordPress needs your database name, username, password, hosting details, and the table prefix you will use in the database. We have all that information, so let's go. The database name is WP. The username is root. We're not using a password. The database host is localhost. and the table prefix we'll use is the default WP underline. That's it. So click the Submit button. If all is well, you should get the congratulations screen. Click the Run the Install button. This will bring you to the WordPress welcome screen. You don't have to worry about anything you enter here, as everything can be changed from the admin panel at a later date if required. So enter your site title, enter a username, enter your password twice. I'm just going to use the username, not a recommended practice for a live site obviously. Then enter an email address. This will not actually be used on the local host setup. And because we're running a local server, we do not want the search engines to index this website. Once you've entered your data, click the Install WordPress button. If everything goes well, you should be presented with a WordPress success screen. Click the Login button, enter your username and password, click the Login button, and your WordPress site should be up and running. In the next video in this series, we'll discuss the initial setup of WordPress. Well, I hope you found something useful and enjoyed this video. To help me with my videos, please log into YouTube, subscribe to my channel and click the like button. It really does help. Thanks for taking the time to view this video. Bye for now.